Hey, what's going on, you guys? In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to get cold traffic to your online business and how you should be pre-framing your message. Hey, what's going on, you guys? Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about dealing with cold traffic. But I'm also going to be talking about how to deal with warm and hot traffic. So when you're running paid advertisements to your business or your landing page or wherever you're sending your paid advertisements to, you need to figure out what type of traffic that you're going to be targeting. Now, this is something that people who are running ads for their business, they don't really think about. They just run one ad with the same type of message to every type of traffic. And just to let you guys know, there's 3 different types of traffic. So let me talk about the first type, which is going to be cold traffic. So basically, these are people who don't know you, who don't know what you're offering, and they don't know whether they can trust you or not. So they just know that they have a problem, and you might just grab their attention with your advertisement. So they might just come across your banner ad or your solo ad or your Google ad, whatever, and that's going to take them to your website. The next type of traffic is going to be warm traffic. So these are people who don't know you, but they might know somebody that you have a relationship with. So let's say, for example, that you have a business partner, and the people who do business with your business partner, they might not know you, but you're using your business partner's credibility to build trust with his audience. Now, the next type of traffic is going to be hot traffic. So these are people who already know you, they know what you're offering, and they already trust you. They might be a subscriber on your YouTube channel, they might be a subscriber on your email list, they might listen to your podcast, they might follow you on social media. And these people might even feel like they have a relationship with you. Even though you might not have met them personally, they feel like they know you because based on what you share with them. Now, when it comes to dealing with traffic, it's all about how you pre-frame your message. Now, your message might come in the form of a solo ad, a Google ad, a blog post, or just sending out an email to your subscribers. But different types of traffic, they need a different type of message or a different type of bridge that's going to get them to take action and look into your product or take them to your website. So let me just give you guys an example. So we have our 3 different types of traffic right here. Let's say right here is where you want everybody to be directed to. This is ultimately where you want people to go to. This is going to be your sales page or your product page, whatever you want to call it. So when it comes to dealing with a hot traffic bridge, I mean, this is probably going to be the easiest one to get people to go to. Since they already know you, this is going to be a bridge. So since these people already know you, they like you, they trust you, I mean, you don't really have to do much to get them to go to your product page. So, I mean, you can just create content, you can send out an email list, you can create a post on Instagram or Facebook, just simply saying, hey, I got a new product that launched today, it's on sale for 24 hours, get it while supplies last, and that's basically it. Now, when it comes to sending out a bridge for warm traffic, it's going to take a little bit more work, but not much, since you're leveraging the relationship they have with somebody that you know. You just need to have that person endorse you. So you can have that person just create a video, just have them let people know, hey, check out this guy's product. I mean, he has an awesome product, or have them send out an email list to their subscribers to go check out your product. So, I mean, warm traffic isn't going to require a whole lot more, and it's still pretty simple to get people to take action to visit your landing page, your website, or your product page. Now, cold traffic, this is what's going to separate the men from the boys or the girls from the women. And this is a skill that you should learn if you want to grow your business. Now, creating a bridge for cold traffic, this is going to take the most work because you're going to have to do some research or get people in the desirable state of mind before they hit your landing page or your website. Now, the most common thing that people who are marketing to cold traffic don't understand is that they don't speak the language that the people who are cold traffic are speaking. So, to give you guys an example, let's say I'm selling an online course where I'm teaching people how they can make money with affiliate marketing. If I create a message or an advertisement that has a headline that says, drive more traffic to your affiliate offers and make more sales, people who are hot traffic, they're going to understand what that means. Even some people who are considered warm traffic, some of them might understand that, some of them might not. But people who are cold traffic, they're going to have no idea what you're talking about. You're not going to be speaking their language. They might look at you like you're crazy. So you have to change your message when it comes to speaking to cold traffic. So like I just said, you have to speak their language. If I say, hey, drive more traffic to your affiliate offers, they're not going to understand that. So I would get better results if I say something like, start making money by promoting other people's products online. See, that's something simple, and people who are considered cold traffic would be able to understand that. And if people who are interested in learning how to do that, they're going to click on my link, which is going to take them to my landing page, and I might just have like a separate bridge page video just for people who are cold traffic, where I'm explaining what affiliate marketing is and how they can use it to start earning money online. People who are considered hot traffic, they don't need to go through all that because they already know what affiliate marketing is and how it works. Some people who are considered warm traffic, they might just watch that video because they might have heard of affiliate marketing before, but they're not 100% sure what it is. So I would just probably create the same video for people who are warm traffic. So when it comes to dealing with cold traffic, you want to speak their language. If you're using all these technical terms that they have no idea what they mean, you're not going to have very much success. Just remember, a confused mind always says no. So when dealing with cold traffic, you're going to want to explain and educate them before you introduce your offer to them. So it's all about how you pre-frame your message or your bridge to different types of traffic. So that's all I wanted to talk about in this video. I hope you guys learned something new, and hopefully this video helped you guys out to pre-frame your message or your bridge when it comes to different types of traffic. And if you guys want to see more videos like this, then I invite you to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. So if you're somebody who's interested in getting started with your own online business, but you have no idea where to get started, check out the first link in the top of the description. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.